Oh, dude, it's Friday night again.
What is it like, Lord, to die alone on Calvary's hill, and to know that those who condemned you thought they were doing God's will? What is it like, Lord, to walk through streets where no one cares, and to see the people all standing, wrapped up in their private affairs? What is it like, Lord, to live in slums where life decays, and to see the office block standing empty for months and for days? What is it like, Lord, to stop with barren fields all round, and to know that somewhere else farmers plow food back into the ground?